What a beautiful place, darling. It's gorgeous, and you still haven't seen the surprise I have planned for you.
How exciting! I want to see it!
Then there's no time to lose. Let's go. We're almost there.
The water looks so refreshing. Would you mind if we went in for a little bit?
Of course not. Let's go.
It was really fun.
Yes, the ocean is calm today. I like it when it's like this. Well, let's continue our walk. I want to give you your surprise. I know you're going to like it.
Let's go! Hi everyone! We're here today at the beach working on the next episode of Along the Shoreline. So I decided to use this opportunity to show you guys this set of Cinderella sand toys. Let's open it up to get a better look at everything it comes with. Let's look at this castle first. It's a mold, but it also works to strain the sand. Ooh, and it has two of my favorite things. It's transparent and it's covered in glitter. On this side, it has a picture of this little mouse. And on this other side, it has another picture of another little mouse. And here in the middle is Cinderella. Let's try it! Yay! There's the castle. What else? What else? It comes with two molds, Cinderella's carriage, and the glass slipper. Ooh, a shovel, and in the shape of a heart. I think we can also use it as a mold. Let's see. Yes, it works! Yes, it works! Yay! And I think we can use this part on the back to make hearts in the sand. Let's see. Ooh, it does work! So we can make 3D hearts and we can make hearts in the sand. And here comes my favorite. It's Cinderella's carriage. Here it comes with this gorgeous picture of Cinderella with the clock. And on the other side, it comes with the same picture. It comes with another strainer to make the sand even smaller. And it also works as a little sand cart. We can put water in it. Woo! Waterfall! Now let's try out the strainer. We put in some sand. It looks like it's raining sand. Woo! Friends, I'm in charge of making Cinderella's surprise, and since they're about to arrive, it's time we hurry up and make it! We're here. Okay, my love, when I count to 3, we'll turn around. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's beautiful! It's a collection of sand sculptures telling the story of the night we met. Look, that's the palace, that's the carriage that you arrived in. There's the glass slipper that you lost when you ran away from me. I didn't run away from you, I was under a spell. Well, I know that now, but back then I was worried because I thought I had scared you. Thank you, sweetheart. I loved the surprise. And there's one more thing. Look, this carriage is a sand cart. Oh, how exciting! Let's try it! here we can see the sunset. What do you think?
Great idea!